This is a Honda Fit 2015, and I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light. Here are the instructions for those of you who do not have the manual and you want to read it yourself, or if you just want to follow along with me, and I will just do it. Okay. All right, these are the instructions and how to do it. It's very simple. Well, just like the instruction says, you put the car, you turn it to on position, and so this one's a push button. So what I did, it's a push button. Sorry, oh, my radio is on. I gotta turn this thing off. How do I do that? That's my wife's car. Okay, the volume. Put all the volume down. Okay, so anyway, where were we? And I put it on, and then first you look for that little knob here. It's on the side here, and then you keep on pressing it until it shows the oil. Yeah. Okay. See, right now it's at 50%. Yeah, not bad, 50%. So I just go ahead and change it so I won't have to worry about it. I changed it so I don't have to think about it anymore. So what you do next is you press and hold it for about 10 seconds or until it blinks. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Just hold it down until it blinks. Okay. It's not blinking yet. There we go. You see now it's blinking, and then you let go. And then what the instruction says again, you press it for 5 seconds or more, and then the display will be gone. You hold it again. Okay. You go 5 seconds. There we go. You see, it's gone. So now it's at 100%. So first, you look for the oil level. Okay. You press the knob until it shows you the percentage of the oil. Then you press and hold it until it blinks. Then you let go. And after that, you press and hold it again for about 5 seconds or until it erases the number, the current number, and put it back at 100%. And this is what it should look like. Okay, very simple. But for those of you who don't have the book, because if you have the owner's manual, it will show you on page 360 for the 2015 that it's pretty much the same procedure. If you have a this type of model, if it's a push start, it's the same procedure I gave you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. Okay. This is the I'm talking about. This is the button. Okay, right here. It's right over the that little screen. That's the one you push. This one here.